Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with another Notion video for you. Now my last Notion video, let's just admit it was kind of a mess uh, because I was just figuring out, like, I had never watched videos about it. I didn't know what I was doing. But I've updated my setup, and so today I'm going to show you guys my new setup. And if you guys want to see how I create the setup, and if you guys want me to do a little bit of a tutorial on Notion, comment down below because I want to know if you guys want me to make that or not. And if not, then I will just continue with the different content that I planned. But if you guys do want to see it, I will totally make it for you. So yeah, let's go over to my laptop. So I am going to go to Notion, and of course it's not right. So I have a few different pages. Now the school page that you just saw will be deleted soon because I'm finishing school. By the time you guys see this, I will be finished. So that is going to be deleted, and so that's not going to be there, so just ignore that. But this is my personal home, and my vibes are kind of like pinky, like leaves and like plants. So I have my cover right here is just the simple color, like the pinky color. This icon came from a different website that I downloaded it and then I put it up like that. But here's what it looks like. I have a quote right here that says, "Be who God made you to be." And I have links here to my other pages. I will show you them both in a minute, but the school one, again, is going to be deleted. But this is kind of my main page, and I have a little image here that is just a cute decoration that, oh my word, I love this so much. It's super cute. It kind of just adds some aesthetic to my setup. So this dashboard right here, I call it my dashboard because it just kind of is my, I don't know, it's just kind of like the base for my life on here. So I don't have much on here since I do still have my bullet journal, and you guys, I'm not getting rid of my bullet journal for Notion. I could never get rid of my bullet journal entirely. That just like is a real, like, the bullet journal is more of a creative way I can express myself, and I don't think I could give that up. So this is my plan is for school, when I'm in school, I'm going to use this, and then for YouTube and some of my personal stuff that I don't have in my bullet journal. So this dashboard has a few things in it. So my next half goals, which is just the next half of my year goals. This is in a table. Hold on, it's loading. So I have this cover, which is what, like, you see over here. So right here, you see that. It's a cute just decoration way to have that. I have this little icon and the name. And then down here are my goals. Now, these are my goals. Work harder on YouTube to make better quality videos. God is number one, and then I'm going to add to this. But I can actually click into these goals and it will say action steps, like how I can achieve my goals. So this is like my favorite part of this. I think it's called, what is it? It's a board, I'm pretty sure. But then, see, I can click into these and see the, like, steps and how to complete those steps. So that's how I set this, that is how I set this up. It's really cute. It's aesthetic. And then when I want, like, when I've started it, or it is in progress or completed, I can actually move these over. So I've started working harder on YouTube, and then after about a month, when it's like in progress, I'm working on it, I can move it over. And then when it's completed and like working harder on YouTube is basically just a habit, I will move it over to completed. And I love this about this board, where I can, move stuff. It's really nice. So I this second one, which is called bedroom over here, I have for the extra tasks that I don't have in my bullet journal. So basically, I'll click into this. The cover page again is what you see on the outside over there. And so this is where I want to track the things that like I haven't tracked in my bullet journal again. So this is like where I'm going to track like stuff that I have to do multiple times, like within weeks or months. So I'll just track like the date I did it and check it off as I go. And when I check it off, I actually made it to where when I check it off, the thing will disappear. So that's nice. It will disappear and I won't have to see it. I had it that way at one point, but it must have changed. I'll fix that later. But anyway, that's the bedroom page, and I'll probably end up changing that and adding to it as I continue to use this page. Wish list is a place where I dump all of the things that I want. I need a bigger tripod for my May Plan with Me's, or my Plan with Me's. And I need, I want, not exactly need, but I want a better camera and just some things that are on my wish list that I want to save up for. Like, I also want a horse, and so that's a wish list I'll just put on here and see if I can get to the goal. So here, this filter, it has a filter. When it's checked, it will go away. But as I continue down, I can add to this too if I want. But I have a prayer request board, and some of my friends and family that have health problems or just things they need prayer for, I will put them here, and I can check it off when these things are answered and the date it was answered. And I can also tag people if I want, so I might do that at some point. But that's basically my homepage, and there's nothing really to see down here. That's just, I don't know, a prayer list. That was made through a table, by the way. Then I'll click on these links. So I'll show you the YouTube first. I haven't began working on this too much, but I will show you what I have so far. So basically I have this blank cover. It's just like gray with a little bit of texture. Kind of goes with the vibe, which is more like nude, I guess. I don't know how to explain it. Anyway, I have a quote here that says set your goals. I have my YouTube schedule page, which I will show you in a minute. So I have these goals. They're basically the same as the ones in my personal home. And I can move them over: started, in progress, and completed. If I click into these, I can add notes on how I can complete that. Also down here, I have another quote that says brainstorm, and this table down here is video ideas. Now, I have my video ideas. Of course, I'm not going to show that to you guys because you will hopefully eventually see them. But I have a plan section, so I am planning on doing this video. When it is in progress, or maybe I'll change that to filmed, filmed. So once in progress or filmed, I will move it over. And then when it is scheduled to go live, I will move it over. And when it is live, I will move it over once again. That's completed. And then I could delete it because it's up and ready. But yeah. So that is pretty much all that's on this page so far. I might add kind of like a wish list to this too. I'm not sure yet. But now we'll click into the YouTube schedule. This is pretty straightforward. It is just like I have the background here with an icon, and this is a calendar with my tasks, so I can actually move these around. So I posted my Mary Kay video yesterday, and I was going to film this video yesterday, but then I ended up not having time. So that was originally right there, but then I moved it over to today. So then I knew instead I'm going to film today. Now, if I couldn't film today, I could have moved it over to Sunday or whenever I needed to. But that, like, I'm doing that right now. Same, like, I'll probably do, so this video that I'm filming right now will post on Thursday. And then I'll hopefully film a video, but if I can't, I'll move it over to whatever I need to. I can also change around like the videos that are going up that day if I need to. So that's basically it for this. So we will check out school. There isn't much to this either. Basically I have like this, I don't know, what's that called? Just, it's that. It's the earth. Yes, okay. With this icon and the name, just school. And I have memory verses for my science. This page was originally for just science, and I had some other pages for the rest of my subjects. But since I updated my setup and I wanted it to all be changed around, and I'm going to be deleting this soon anyway, I just merged them all. So these chapters, I have different chapters in my biology. So I will show you. So in this chapter, which I started today, I have this cover with this icon. It says "Ride the Waves" in a quote. And then this is a table with open pages. So see, I have my vocab words in here and my actual lessons in here. So I was learning about the biomes. I think that's how you say that. And so I just had my notes in here for the aquatic and, you know, all that stuff. So pretty straightforward. It's just a table, and then I have my tags over here, which this was for vocab, and that was a lesson. I think I did the same thing for the other two chapters. Maybe not this one, because I didn't know, I didn't know enough about Notion to do that one the better way, so that's how that looks. But chapter 2, I'm pretty sure, was nice and organized as well. Then I have, let load, Bible. This is just, I'm practically done Bible for the year, but I have to write out my memory verses for the year, a few every day. So that's what I'm doing in here. Just, that's it. Nothing too complicated about that. Next year it'll be more advanced. So now I have this project, this end of the year project that I'm doing that is planned in here. So I have to take or make a 3-page travel brochure for 3 different world wonders, and I picked my world wonders, and I have the 7 facts that I have to list right there. So I started the project 3 days ago, and I'm finishing it on Tuesday. So I have to still use this, and then I'll present it on Tuesday, which is kind of nerve-wracking. But, that's basically it for this. I didn't add a cover just because it saved space. So, honestly, that's it. As I update it, I will let you guys know and maybe make new videos on the more I set it up. And I will probably be doing another Notion video probably in like August for my new school year, which will be a whole new setup, which you guys hopefully will enjoy. And so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up and comment down below whether or not you want me to give you guys a Notion tutorial. And anyway, have a good day. Bye.